To install Realm in our application or in our project, we need to fire the command npm install Realm. I already did that a few minutes ago, but let's do it together again, guys. We will write npm install Realm, and we will wait like 20 seconds, and the package is gonna be executed or added to our project. Make sure if you are running iOS machine to run the command pod install. Pod install will make sure that all dependencies for Realm it will be installed into your machine, I mean iOS machine. As I said now, less than 20 seconds, the database have been installed into my project folder. Before using this database, guys, I'm going to show you how we could create our custom components. And we've seen together, guys, in previous lessons how we could add our standard components like buttons, textbooks, and normal text into our mobile app. But this time we are going to create our own custom components, and we can reuse those custom components throughout our mobile app. So into our project, I've created this folder called components inside a parent folder called pages, and I've added 3 JavaScript files, and basically those files are components, custom components. I named them like my button, my text, and my text input. Let's first review the my button custom component. I named the component by my button, but you can name it anything you want. We are gonna use props, which is, if we recall from our lessons in properties and state variables back in the beginning of this course. Here we are gonna use props in 2 types. Either we are gonna define local properties here or styles, or we are going to use external properties. Is going to be supplied at the time we use this my button in our mobile app. We will see this together, but let's see here. Basically our button is touchable opacity, and it's using local defined styles here, which is called styles.button. Here we know all how we could create our custom styles. We've seen this together. And on press, at the time this button is going to be pressed, we will use some function or method or any executable command using the properties sent from external screen under the name custom click. So basically I'm gonna bind my command or my function or my method to a property called custom click, and I will supply it, or I will provide it like a parameter for this button. This button, it will be used throughout all my custom screens that I'm gonna add it in seconds to implement our Realm database. Likewise, I've created my text custom component. Simply it is a text with those with those styles, which is style.text here redefined in the same place, and I'm gonna use the properties to get the text from the screen where this text is being used. Also, my text input custom component follows the same paradigms. I will supply the code as I said earlier, and you can review it all, or even you can add your own styles or properties as you wish. So next, guys, we will start using Realm database as I said, to implement a user management solution. See you in minutes.